Welcome to another exciting educational video brought to you by Upvision Concepts Academy. So we're looking at JAMB style questions on simplification and factorization. So what we're doing here is we're looking at all the past questions and possible questions under this topic in the JAMB exam. So the first one was drawn from JAMB 2016 and it said simplify log 4 plus log 2 minus log 5. So using the rules, if I have log a to base 10 plus log b to base 10, it becomes log to base 10 a times b. So addition is multiplication, right? And if I have log a to base 10 minus log b to base 10, it is log b, a over b, this one over this one, a over b, right? Division. So addition gives multiplication, subtraction gives quotient. Understand? So we're going to be applying that rule in this particular question. So I will come here and I will say log all to base 10. So I have 4 times 2 all over 5. Okay, so 4 times 2 will give us 8 and 5 all to base 10. Okay, so log 8 over 5 is giving us 1.6 approximately to base 10. So since this is base 10, since this is in base 10, this log approximates to 0. Why? Because this number is really, really small. So the whole of this approximates to 0. So the answer out of all these options is option C. So here's another possible JAMB question for you under simplification and factorization. Say we should simplify 4x plus 8 over 2. 4x plus 8 over 2. So we'll look at them as if we are doing normal simplification for fractions or numbers. So I can rewrite this as 4x over 1 plus 8 over 2. Then I rule my line for my addition of fractions. So I look at these two denominators. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So 1 into 2, that is 2 divided by 1 is 2. Then 2 times 4x is 8x. Plus 2 into 2, or 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. So at this point, I can just rewrite this 8x plus 8 over 2. And I'll divide each term upstairs by 2. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4x. At the same time, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4, right? So I can have it as 4x plus 4 as the answer. Or look at this way. I can just decide to do what is the common term in this 2 here. It's 8 common, right? So I have x plus 1 inside, right? Why? Because 8 times x is 8x and 8 times 1 is 8, all over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So 4 outside can still multiply, or I can have it as 4x plus 4. So this is the answer, and the option here is, okay, I don't think I have an option here. Did I copy out the options very well? Okay, this is supposed to be okay, the answer is actually D. This is supposed to be 4x plus 4. So D is the answer. I didn't copy this one out very well. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So we have on the board, factorize. This is quadratic equation. Factorize this. X squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we'll look for two numbers that when we multiply, we get this, Okay, the first thing we'll do is multiply the coefficient of x squared and the constant term. You know, this is written in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? So the first thing we'll do is to multiply a and c to give AC, right? So we look for two factors such that when they multiply themselves, they will give us AC, and when they divide themselves, they will give us B, right? Okay, so but let's just go straight to the question. So if I multiply 1 here by 6 here, I have 6, right? Plus 6. So what are the two factors that when they multiply themselves, they will give me 6, that's plus 2 and plus 3. And when they multiply themselves, they give me this. And when they add themselves, they must give me this. So I can use minus. Why? Because minus 2 and minus 3 will give me plus 6 by multiplication. And minus 2 and minus 3 by addition will give me middle term. So just replace what I have here with the middle term. When I have the middle term, I just replace it with this, right? So I have x squared. So instead of having minus 5x, I just put minus 2x plus minus 3x plus 6. Mind you, this is x, this is x, this is x, right? Okay, so we'll factorize by grouping this. So I'll group it. These first two terms, I'll group it. X squared minus 2x minus the last two terms, I'll group it. 3x plus 6, right? Okay. So what is common in these first two? What's common in the first two is 2x. Sorry, it's x. X is common, right? So I have x inside and 2 minus. What's common here? I have 3. Again, x and minus 2 is common. So I have this and this to be picked. Then one of these picked. So x minus 3 and x minus 2. So this is the factors of this expression. These are the factors of this expression, and the answer should be somewhere here. This is the answer here. Okay. So I have to factorize this question, factorize this expression. So I have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So I multiply the first term and the last term. I'll be getting 6 minus 6x squared. So I look for the factors of this such that when they multiply themselves, they will give me this. And when they add themselves, they'll give me the middle term. So when they multiply themselves, two factors, I have minus 3x. Okay, let me use minus 6x and minus x. Okay, that will not go. I think this is better. So plus 6x minus x multiply themselves will give me this, and if you add these two, will give me this. So this is better. This is better. So let's replace whatever I have here, whatever with this. Just replace middle term with this. So I will write again that 2x squared. Then instead of having plus 5x, I'll have plus 6x, then minus x, then minus 3. Okay. So these first two terms, what is common here? What's common here is 2x. I write 2x outside, open the bracket. What's left here is x plus, then here I have 3, then minus 1 outside x plus 3, right? Because this minus will change this to plus. Okay, so this and this is the same. If you come to the point where these two factors are the same, then you know you are almost done. So you take this and this as 1, that's 2x minus 1. Then you take one of these as x plus 3. So this is the factor of this expression. So that should be A again. A is the answer. A is the answer. Sorry, C is the answer. Oh, I think A and C are alike. A and C are alike, except I made a mistake in copying the answers. A and C are alike. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, on the board we have Number 5, say factorize x squared minus 9x plus 20. First thing we do again, multiply the first term by the last term. Okay, I write it again. X squared minus 9 plus 20. First and last term will give me 20x squared. So we look for two factors such that when they multiply themselves, they will give me this 20x squared. And when they add themselves, they will give me the middle term. Okay, so let's try 2x squared. What are the factors we are choosing? 2x squared multiply themselves. Let's see, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So I have minus 4, minus 5x, and plus minus 4x. See these two? Okay, let me not put plus. Let me just put it like this. So minus 5x minus 4x multiplication will give me plus 20x. If I add it up, them, they'll give me the middle term. So I'll just replace this middle term by these two, right? So I have x squared. Then instead of having minus 9x, I'll have minus 5x minus 4x, right? Nicely done. Then finally I have plus 20. So I take these two terms, these terms like this. I'll come to this side, let me complete it here. What is common in these two terms is x is common, x is outside, then open bracket, x again inside, minus 5, then this minus, then what's common in these two terms? 4 is common, then x inside, then because of the minus outside, this will be minus, then I have 5. Okay, so you see that this factor and this factor are similar, so we are close. So x minus 4 as one factor, and x minus 5 as another factor. So the answer is A. All right, so we'll stop here in this series. We'll continue next time. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share to your friends so that it can get to more viewers. So I hope this video is informative for you. I'd like to thank you for viewing.